Ever come home and feel that tiny knot of worry in your stomach? You lock the door, but in the back of your mind, you're like, is this really enough? Across town, pet parents and gym lovers are thinking the exact same thing. Because when chaos hits, you don't want to be thinking, I wish we'd prepared. That's where the Anti-Looter Kit steps in, smart, simple, and made for real life. You get practical tools that help you protect what actually matters most. Watch how your space transforms from vulnerable to confidently prepared. Text on screen, protect what matters most. Stay prepared. Peace of mind starts here, not when it's already too late. Learn more today. Visit https://tinyurl.com/y43mnone. Peace of mind starts here.